Your home's exterior could be quietly draining your budget, and you might be calling it an upgrade. Most expensive-looking homes are not covered in more features. They are edited with better decisions. Today, we are going through 7 exterior upgrades that waste money and what to do instead. Stick around for number 1. It is the costliest mistake here, and most homeowners think it adds value. Number 7. Bargain solar path lights. Those hardware store stake lights look fine for 2 weeks, then batteries fade, plastic cracks, and your walkway becomes a row of dim yellow sticks. Cheap solar cells cannot hold a charge through fall and winter, and thin housings fail in UV and freeze-thaw cycles. They are priced for the shelf, not your yard. A low-voltage wired system with solid brass or copper fixtures costs more upfront, maybe $300 to $500. But over 5 years, it beats replacing solar stakes every season. You get consistent, warm light that actually lifts curb appeal after dark. Number 6. Decorative shutters that do not work. Plastic louvers screwed flat against siding, too narrow to cover the window, faded and crooked. They do not open or close, and they do not add charm. Real shutters were functional. Wrong size fake shutters read like a shortcut. Size each panel to half the window width, use wood or composite with real hinges, or remove them entirely. Clean trim and good landscaping beat fake shutters every time. Number 5. Stamped concrete driveways pretending to be brick or stone. Gorgeous on install day. 18 months later, a crack breaks the pattern, the patch never matches, and an expensive driveway has a scar down the middle. Plain concrete cracks too, but hairlines in broom-finished concrete are easy to seal. Stamped concrete breaks the illusion when color and sealer wear unevenly. Consider interlocking pavers you can lift and replace, or honest broom-finished concrete with a simple aggregate border. Number 4. Elaborate built-in outdoor kitchens in cold climates. Granite counters, pizza ovens, and under-counter fridges sound luxurious until you use them 4 months a year. The rest of the time, they sit under covers while granite stains, steel rusts, and plumbing needs winterizing. A quality freestanding grill with a prep cart does most of the job at a fraction of the cost. In many markets, buyers see maintenance, not luxury. Number 3. Open backyard ponds and tiered fountains. Charming for 2 weeks, then pumps clog, algae blooms, and mosquitoes arrive. Standing water becomes weekly work plus monthly chemicals. Some sellers fill in ponds before listing because buyers treat them as liabilities. If you want water sound, use a sealed recirculating bubbler on river rock. No open basin, minimal upkeep. Number 2. Overlandscaping with high-maintenance plants. Exotic maples, clipped boxwoods, and rose beds can look like a botanical garden, then become a part-time job. Skip one season and beds look neglected. Buyers see obligations, not beauty. Use native plants, a few structural evergreens, clean mulch beds, and simple ground covers that hold value with less work. And number 1. Full stone veneer wrapped around the entire house. Homeowners defend this hardest, and the math punishes most. More stone does not mean more value. When everything is covered, nothing stands out. The house feels heavy, like a costume. Full coverage can exceed $40,000 with weak return per square foot. Use stone on entry columns, the lower facade, or the garage surround. Pair it with clean siding above so stone has contrast. Partial stone often delivers nearly the same curb appeal for a third of the cost. That is 7 exterior decisions that save thousands. Subscribe for more home design tips and exterior styling ideas. And tell me in the comments, which number surprised you most?